According to the United Nations, the world's population is likely to grow from the present 7.6 billion people to about 9.8 billion people by 2050. To feed this growing world population, it will be necessary to increase the global food production by 50% by 2050. The question therefore remains, how can we do this? The oceans are a fundamental part of our global food security, with billions of people depending on our oceans for both food and income. It is necessary that our resource extraction of the ocean becomes drastically more sustainable. My name is Richard Singhroy, and I am a Mars Master student at the Université de Côte d'Azur. For the past 3 months, I have been working on Lagosta to investigate this issue on a local level. I present Lagosta is a Swiss company attempting to establish a sustainable and organic lobster fishery in Monaco. In order to do so, they pay great attention to increasing and maintaining the wild population through repopulation and conservation methods. The company stands on 3 pillars: conservation, aquaculture, and valorization of byproducts. The species that is farmed here is the European spiny lobster, or Pinanapalus ephelas. Through the Mediterranean Sea, their populations have dropped. For example, places such as Corsica have seen major drops in populations since the 1970s. Here in the Côte d'Azur, we have seen a similar drop. Over the past 3 months, I have done a literature review and research on what is needed to repopulate the species here. Luckily, there are examples of successful repopulation efforts, such as in Corsica, the Caribbean, Spain, and Australia. Our findings show that no-take zones, marine protected areas, as well as managing seasonal fishing was critical to conservation and repopulation efforts. I have also looked at a variety of environmental and behavioral factors and how this knowledge can benefit the repopulation effort. These include disease, substrate, mating habits, settling patterns, ecosystem health, management, trap use, human population, among some others. With information on all these topics, we will be informed as we move forward. The hope is to use this knowledge to do 3 things. The first is to engage local populations and fishermen to apply best practices. The second is to show local governments that our project and proposed repopulation program has scientific backing. And the third is to use this knowledge with help from our partners to implement our repopulation program. Ecosystem surveys are currently being thought of to evaluate the best way to implement our repopulation program and to find the current condition of local ecosystem health. This ecosystem survey may involve tools such as citizen science and geospatial analysis. There's much more work to be done, from getting this project passed by local governments and finding more partners, to also engaging the local community. If you wish to learn more or are interested to help yourself, there will be links in the description below that you can follow to find out more. Thank you for watching, and hopefully soon you'll be eating a Lagosta lobster.